In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for a course on Udemy. For those of you eager to dive into a new learning experience or enhance your skill set, knowing how to efficiently purchase a course is key. So let's walk through these simple steps together. First, you'll want to start by visiting your Udemy dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of courses tailored to different interests and learning goals. Take your time to browse through the available offerings and select the course that captivates your interest or aligns with your learning objectives. Once you've decided on a course, simply select it, and this will bring you to the course's main page where you'll find more detailed information about what you can expect to learn, the instructors, and reviews from past students. Once you're certain about your choice, you'll see a button labeled Buy Now. Go ahead and click on this button, which will initiate the process of purchasing the course. This will take you directly to the checkout page, where you'll begin by entering your card details. Make sure to have your credit or debit card handy, as you'll need to fill in the necessary details such as the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. That's the 3-digit number usually found on the back of most cards. For those who prefer other payment options, Udemy sometimes offers alternatives, like PayPal, which you can explore as well. After entering your card information, take a moment to double-check everything. It's always important to ensure that the information is accurate to prevent any delays or issues with your purchase. Once you're certain that all the details are correct, you'll proceed by clicking the Pay button. By doing so, you're finalizing your purchase, and a confirmation of your transaction should follow shortly. Once your payment is processed, you'll gain immediate access to the course content. You can then begin exploring the lessons, diving into the video content, and making use of any supplementary materials provided in your course. Remember, Udemy courses are self-paced, so feel free to learn at your own speed and revisit any sections as often as necessary. There you have it, a straightforward process to follow to start your learning journey on Udemy. Whether you're expanding professional skills or pursuing a personal interest, feel confident knowing you can easily navigate this process. Now go ahead and enjoy your course and take full advantage of the educational tools at your disposal.